Alright, so it's day 2 of the cleaning the carpets and the seats. This is the carpet from the back. There's the back seats. I just leaned them up on the thing for now. And this carpet's not glued down or anything, so we'll just pull it up. Well, I say it's not. Let's see. Yeah. It's not glued down. I'm just gonna pull it all out and take it over to the concrete and start pressure washing it. Well, that's what a truck looks like without a carpet in it. Gonna get this thing good, cleaned up. Looking good, good as new. Let it dry out, put it back in. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so I got it started down on the ground. Just got a lot of the dirt out of it. Now I hung it up on the fence. I'm gonna spray it with some Purple Power. Get it good and saturated with that so it'll do some deep cleaning. Good morning. Last night we got the carpet washed, and now today I'm gonna get the seats out and I'm gonna get the pressure washer back out and we'll get busy. Got a bunch of them. Excuse me. I know it's just a simple thing, the seats and the carpet in an old truck, but I want them to be as close to perfect as can be. So I'm gonna take my time and do the best I can. And that's all you can ever do in life, is the best you can. Okay, so I got the seats done. I washed them all, and they look pretty good. Yep. There's some spots that didn't come out, but overall, they're a lot better than they were. So, we'll get back with you tomorrow.